often asked, okay, I'm having trouble with my job search. And the first place that I want to start with individuals is who's on your ensemble, who's on your supporting cast. And what I mean by that is I think each of us needs to have a set of individuals, and these could be colleagues, friends, family members, mentors, coaches, sponsors, champions, but you need to think of yourself as a member of a team, or a member of a music group, or a member of a theatrical production, right? So in a theatrical production, there is a whole team of people who are on stage, and then there's people doing lighting, sound, directing. There's a whole ensemble that goes together to put a production on. What I think is really important is for us to think about the job search in that way. So think about who's in your ensemble, who's in your team, who's in the supporting cast, and lay that network out. Again, as I said, let it be friends, family members, acquaintances, colleagues, mentors, coaches, sponsors, champions, advocates, but get that group in place. And typically I like to say that you want to build that group from 5 to 7 to 11 to 13 to 15, 17, maybe 23, and nurture that. Get that group in place. Tell them what your goals are, tell them what your aspirations are, and let them begin to feed you ideas and suggestions. The job search is complicated, tedious, lonely, very challenging, disappointing, frustrating, can be depressing at times. And if you have this team of people there with you, they're going to move you forward. So before you begin the job search, begin to assemble this team as if it were a writer's group, right? And start there. Okay, take care.